Our PKR family of Delta robot cells are engineered and manufactured for applications requiring accurate pick and placing for both rigid and flexible packages. For our customer, we deliver dual robot cells to automatically load plastic clamshells into corrugated cases. Receiving large baking trays with clamshells, the integrated vision system takes a photo while the conveyor transfers to the Delta robot to be picked and placed into the case. Designed for modularity, the cells can be run in unison or independently.